Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off the smart assistant in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, this is the smart assistant on my Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, to enable or to turn off this, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So go to settings. And okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. You'll have to do is click the smart and convenient. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, you can see the smart assistant, and the smart assistant of my Oppo A5s is enabled. Okay guys, if the smart assistant is on, display on the leftmost screen menu provides smart convenience service such as quick function and weather information. So okay guys, to turn off the smart assistant, all you have to do is click the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up will show and turn off smart assistant. When this is off, you can no longer use smart convenience service such as a quick function and weather information or receive future informations updates. So okay guys, to turn off, you all have to do is click turn off. And okay guys, we have successfully turned off the smart assistant in your Oppo A5s. Okay, to turn on again, you all have to do is switch again the button. And okay guys, we can try it to turn off this, and go back. And okay guys, there are no smart assistant on the left side. So if this turn off. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.